things besides toys, and I think they're worthy of unboxing as well. So I'm going to unbox this on camera today because I usually just get it and just open it and just use it, but I think it's cute. So let's see what we got. I know where it came from and what it is. Look at there, www.flamingo.shop, and there's a link on my page. If you go to my actual page for subscription, there's an actual picture of a flamingo and it will take you directly to this shop. So if what I show you in here you like as well, take a gander at that and go over there and get you one too. And they got other stuff too. It's not just phone cases. But I saw this phone case online and I just was like, I must have that. Look at that. Look at, this is a phone case. This is a phone case. And look at it. It looks like there's a little plush little animal in there. No, it's a phone case. A phone case that is made like a rabbit. And look at here. And believe me, I ordered this so I know what I had. So it wasn't like, oh, surprise, this is this. But no, I knew what I had and I ordered this. But guess what? I got it and I was about to tear into it. I was like, you know what? Let me do an unboxing on that. Other people might want to see this stuff too. Look at here. Let me get it open. This thing is so cute. Look at this. Look at that. Look at it. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And I have a Samsung. Yeah, I'm not with the iPhone party. I have a Samsung. It's a Note 9. And they have iPhone cases like this and Samsung cases like this. They have a very wide variety. It's super cute. Here, it's so cute. I love this. Look at this. I cannot wait to put this little thing on my phone and see the little tail of the bunny rabbit can act as like your holding thing. Like when you put it on your phone, you can hold it. It's so darn cute. Look at there. And then you can cover your camera can be covered with the little ears. And if you don't want the camera to cover the ears, just flip them the other way and then you can use your camera. Isn't that cute? Look at that. And it's so plush. It's so soft. That's what drew me to it when I saw it. And they have different colors. This one is the gray one. They have like a brown one. And I think they have like a blush pink one. But when I saw it, it drew me to it. I was like, oh my gosh, look at that. That is super duper cute. I had to have this one. And I've got another phone case too I'm about to unbox as well. I'm going to unbox it right after this, but I just had to show that. I can't wait to put this on my phone. I was about to tear into that thing and put this thing on my phone. I was like, no, wait, let me do an unboxing. Look at that. It's so plush. It's like you're holding a tiny little rabbit in your hand. So if you like soft stuff and plush stuff like I do, you'll really love this. Look at that. It's so cute. Look at that. Okay, well, let me unbox the other one too. Hold on just a second. Okay, so here is the second one. And I'm going to order the rabbit ear one. But I actually forgot which one this one is. So we'll both find out together. Oh, for some reason, this one doesn't have the flamingo.com on it. But, oh well. You know from the first one that it's from flamingo.com. Oh, yeah. I ordered another one. This. Here, let me take it out. I ordered another one of these. This is a Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet perfume case. And I know you've seen this either on TV, I saw someone on TV with their phone, this phone case on there, or on online or whatnot. And it comes with this really long strap that you can put onto it. And what you do is you can put it like a crossbody on you, because you know it does get taxing. You most of the time you want your phone out all the time. So with your phone, I wanted a way to have my phone out but have it like right after, so I don't have to go in my purse every time and dig at it or pull it out of my purse. I wanted it right there on my person. Like if you're walking around, you might not want to take a purse if you're walking around and you can't put it in your phone in a wallet. And so it comes with this where you can put the strap on, and you can use it as either a long, you can use it as a long necklace. I actually don't do the crossbody way. I actually do it the necklace way. Look at that. It's long enough. You can even wrap it around your neck probably twice. It's long enough to do that. And you just put your phone on it, and then look at there. You put it around your neck, and you have access to your phone, and you can, and then no one can see what's on your phone because you have it like that. Look at that. They also have this in black, and I have the one in black. And for black, the cord is black. The chain is black. It's got black leather through the chain. It's really cute as well. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It's so cute. So there you have it. That is my unboxing for my not regular things that I get. And I cannot wait to put this little bunny rabbit on my phone. I cannot wait to put this on my phone. People are going to look at me. They're either going to ask me where I got it, or they're going to look at me like, what is wrong with you? But I don't care, because I get what I like. It's so cute. And it's reasonably priced too. I think this was like, it was either $6.99 or $8.99. I can't remember. But it's reasonably priced. You'd think something like this would cost like $20 or whatever, because I've seen phone cases for $20. I'm not paying $20 for a phone case, okay? I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. But some people out there, if you like paying $20 for a phone case, more power to you. But here at flamingo.com, you can get 2 for less than that. Just saying. And they're super cute. Okay, so go to www.flamingo.com. The easiest way to do it is to go to my page. Of course, I would like for you to subscribe, and then click on the icon that is a flamingo. It'll take you straight to it. And you can pick out the stuff that you like. They've got a plethora of things on. They've got so many different things on there. They've got clothes, they got jewelry, they've got purses. It's a whole bunch of stuff. So don't get too crazy with the with the site. Don't get too engrossed in the site that you can't come back here and watch my videos. Okay, so subscribe down below, and also click on the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.